Welcome, brothers. I think today's video is going to be on essentially the early bird gets the worm. Now, me growing up, we kind of slept in. There was no importance to get up early, eh? I don't know if this is me specifically. Other people might have been taught this. But when I used to just get out of bed whenever I felt like it, stay up late. Staying up late, I wouldn't do anything productive at the night time. And in the morning, I would stay up, or I would wake up late, like 11, 12 o'clock, and wonder why I wasn't getting anywhere in life, right? This way, if you get up earlier, way earlier, I'm at the gym and it's 3 a.m. I'm about to go in there and kill some shoulders. These bad boys. So we just have to unlock the gym. Thank you. So me myself, I train at City Fitness here in New Zealand. Oh shit. My hair's all over the show. Look, I'm the only one here. Just to give you a bit of a better idea, it's 3:30 in the morning. Now I've been doing this for a while now, and only beautiful things have come from it. I've been able to structure my day better. I get this out of the way, so I don't have to wait till after work to be able to get it done. The best thing for me is doing my hardest things first, because we only have a minute, very small offering of decisions every day. It's kind of like a deposit. Each decision you make is withdrawing a decision that you get strength for. Now, you deciding to do it in the morning when you have more willpower is only going to keep those reserves for you. Like I said before, it's only me in here. This way, get to clear my head. No distractions, no one here to speak to me. And get to have a bit of peace of mind. I highly recommend, you don't have to get up at 3 to anyone normal that's a bit crazy, but I just like it that way. I like to live as if I didn't have comforts of life, you know. With what I spoke about in my video yesterday, there's been a massive attack on masculinity, and a lot of it has to do with being comfortable. A lot of it has to do with the status quo going, no, don't go to the gym at 3 a.m. Just stay out with us. Come to the party, man. Stay up later with that girl. Play that game later. Get stoned. Get on the piss. Alcohol, sorry. In New Zealand we call getting drunk getting on the piss. I'm not really sure where that comes from, but Yeah. You decide, eh, brother? You decide. You get to choose yourself now or sacrifice your later self. Your 5-year self, your 10-year self. You'll be looking back at that time and regret. And I don't want that for you, because regret, man, it kills. It holds you back in life, and you stir on it, you know. Okay. So I'm going to be training delts, brothers. The lateral delt here, or side delt, I can't really remember it. Traps, these things here. Going to be training all the way down the spine. The trap actually goes down your back as well, not just these cobra trap looking things. A bit of triceps and abs as well. Make sure you hit the abs, because that way you're stronger structurally, hold you up, so your posture's a lot better, and it's just good. Let's be honest, girls love abs. So you need to utilize everything you have, okay? If that's what you're into. But brothers, I love you. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one.